In this video, I will show you how to present during a video call in Google Meet. To get started, let's join a meeting in Google Meet. In the bottom right corner, select Present Now. You have three options. You can select your entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab. I will show you all three. Let's start with your entire screen. This will share your entire screen, meaning lahat ng apps na nakabukas ay pwedeng makita ng kasama natin sa meeting. Select the screen and click Share. You need to be careful when using this option. Dapat walang apps or browser tab na naka-open with confidential information na bawal makita ng mga kasama natin sa meeting. To stop presenting, you can go back to the meeting and click Stop Presenting. Let's click the Present Now button again. This time, let's select a window. Select the window or application you want the meeting participants to see and click Share. If you click on any other tab in that window, pwede pa rin makita ng meeting participants. Pero pag nagbukas kayo ng ibang application, basta wala sa window na nakashare, hindi na makikita na ang application na yon ng participants. Make sure na walang confidential information sa mga tab na naka-open. To stop presenting, you can go back to the meeting and click Stop Presenting. Now, we're back in our meeting. Let's click Present Now and select a tab. Kung marami po kayong tab na nagka-open, click the one you want to share. Usually, it will be the tab where your presentation is or a tab with a document or sheet that you are working on. Once you've selected a tab, click Share. This is the only tab the meeting participants will see, so if you click on another tab, they won't be able to see it. To stop presenting, click the Stop button at the upper left. If you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment below.